Storm Ministries presents
your Bible verse for today. And it comes from the book of Matthew, chapter 12, verse 36, which reads, I tell you, on the day of judgment, people will give account for every careless word they speak.
Today is World Caring Day, and today's Bible verse reminds us that we will be called to account for all of our careless actions and words on the day of judgment. How many of us are guilty of saying or doing things to others that we later regret? A scarier thought is how many of us make the excuse of they deserved it, or quote an Old Testament Mosaic law, an eye for an eye. We must be careful with what we say and do, especially when it comes to our treatment of others. Jesus himself said, love our neighbor as yourself, as one of his top commandments to us. He goes even further and tells us, do not judge and you will not be judged. Do not condemn and you will not be condemned. Forgive and you will be forgiven. Instead of focusing on our own pride, let us learn from Jesus and learn to show empathy, serving and sacrifice to others. Let us show others today what it means to care.
On behalf of Storm Ministries,
have a blessed rest of your day.